Dear friends and well-wishers, we are truly elated and feel honored to welcome you in our program Jan Pahalik Samvad on KABF 88.3 megahertz. Today we are privileged to have Mr. Rajesh Upadhyay in our studio. Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar, namaskar.
How are you keeping?
Oh, I'm very well.
Great. So, Rajesh ji, I just want to know that what do you do? What do you do actually? And what is the current scenario with regard to labor rights?
Thank you.
Hmm.
I work for labor rights
Okay.
and for different categories and sectors of workers
Okay.
on their different issues.
Okay.
Also, I coordinate different national platforms of workers' rights organizations.
Wonderful.
When you ask about the current environment in the country with regard to labor rights, I'll just share three basic points.
Okay.
One is that just yesterday, the government has now notified the 4 labor codes.
Okay.
Earlier, there were about 30 to 40 labor laws which are now clubbed into 4 labor codes.
Okay.
Labor code on industrial relations, labor code on wages, labor code on occupational safety and health, and labor code on social security. So now these 4 labor codes have been notified, and in general, the feeling and the thinking among the workers' rights organizations is that these labor codes are going to kind of curtail the labor rights basically, and the environment is going to be even more challenging for the workers now. And
Okay.
basically, in the current discourse from the establishment side, people are more emphasizing on the principle of ease of doing business
Okay.
than ease of workers' lives.
Oh.
So, and basically they don't understand that if workers are happy in their working environment, they'll be more productive
Definitely.
and the business will grow. So
Definitely.
that's a major thing. So that's this is one kind of point that I wanted to share with you.
I will continue this conversation, Rajesh ji. It's very interesting and also very enlightening in the sense that people are not aware of it.
Yeah.
In between, as per our tradition,
Yeah.
we would love to ask one thing. Do you have any particular song for our viewers to watch and enjoy? Any Hindi film song?
Definitely. But before that song, I'll just add one more point in the current environment that you asked.
Okay.
So the second part of the environment is also that the workers in India, they are kind of divided along caste and religious lines.
Okay.
And many times the establishment uses these divisions
Okay.
to further curtail workers' rights and let workers discuss only caste and religion and not discuss their actual day-to-day social economic problems and rights. You know?
It is pathetic.
Yeah. So the first song that I'm going to suggest is "Tu Hindu Banega Na Musalman Banega." This basically gives a message of Hindu-Muslim unity, and that the one should be human and not should be kind of just caged in some religious walls.
Exactly.
So I suggest you to please play this song.
Acha, dear viewers and listeners, please enjoy this particular song, Tu Hindu Banega Na Musalman Banega. This particular song is actually sung by Ravi Saab, and the name of the film is Dhool Ka Bhool.
तू हिंदू बनेगा न मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा। तू हिंदू बनेगा न मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा। अच्छा है अभी तक तेरा कुछ नाम नहीं है, तुझको किसी मजहब से कोई काम नहीं है। अच्छा है अभी तक तेरा कुछ नाम नहीं है, तुझको किसी मजहब से कोई काम नहीं है। जिस इल्म ने इंसान को तकसीम किया है, उस इल्म का तुझ पर कोई इल्जाम नहीं है। तू बदले हुए वक्त की पहचान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा। तू हिंदू बनेगा न मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा। नफरत जो सिखाए वो धर्म तेरा नहीं है, इंसान को जो रौंदे वो कदम तेरा नहीं है। नफरत जो सिखाए वो धर्म तेरा नहीं है, इंसान को जो रौंदे वो कदम तेरा नहीं है। कुरान न हो जिसमें वो मंदिर नहीं तेरा, गीता न हो जिसमें वो हरम तेरा नहीं है। तू अमन का और सुलह का अरमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा। तू हिंदू बनेगा न मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा। ये दीन के ताजर ये वतन बेचने वाले, वतन बेचने वाले, ये दीन के ताजर ये वतन बेचने वाले, इंसानों की लाशों के कफन बेचने वाले, कफन बेचने वाले, इंसानों की लाशों के कफन बेचने वाले। ये महलों में बैठे हुए कातिल ये लुटेरे, कांटों के इवज रूह चमन बेचने वाले, कांटों के इवज रूह चमन बेचने वाले। तू इनके लिए मौत का ऐलान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा। तू हिंदू बनेगा न मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा।
Rajesh, I'm really delighted talking to you, and I'm enjoying conversing with you. The thing is that you seem to be very well updated. Anything other than this, any particular specific issues of these informal sector workers, any specific issues that you would like to highlight?
Yeah, basically most of the informal sector workers have been outside the purview of the labor laws and labor governance structure.
Okay.
Because in many cases they don't have a clear-cut employer-employee relationship. They don't have an appointment letter. Sometimes they don't know who is the employer. So because of all these reasons, not only their occupational safety is impacted, they also don't have any strong unions for collective bargaining. So and social security, of course. Social security, like if they don't get a job, it's basically day-to-day job. So if you don't get a job for 10 days, you will kind of are in a deep trouble. How will you
survive?
How will you cover expenses?
Definitely. After all, you see, you are looking after a family. You have people who are dependent on you.
Or there is no insurance coverage, so if you fall ill, if you are hospitalized, how will it be covered?
It is very disappointing, and I could feel being a very sensitive person. I could feel that these are very alarming issues. They don't seem to have any security, and because they are surviving on their day-to-day wages. That's
right.
Am I right? Interesting. See, I'm reminded of something. That do you have any other song that you would like our viewers and our, so to say, listeners to watch and listen?
Sure. I remember a very old song where workers are working and they are singing an old film, Naya Daur, and the song is Sathi Haath Badhana Sathi Re. It's also kind of a motivational song for workers, so I would like you to play this.
Yes, sung by this
again, Rafi and Asha.
That's right. Dear viewers and listeners, please enjoy this particular song sung by Rafi ji and Asha ji, Sathi Haath Badhana. We'll be back again after a little break.
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे,
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे,
साथी हाथ साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना। एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलकर बोझ उठाना। साथी हाथ बढ़ाना,
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे,
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे,
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे।
एक से एक मिले तो कतरा बन जाता है दरिया। एक से एक मिले तो जर्रा बन जाता है सहरा। एक से एक मिले तो राई बन सकती है पर्वत।
एक से एक मिले तो राई बन सकती है पर्वत।
एक से एक मिले तो इंसान बस में कर ले किस्मत।
एक से एक मिले तो इंसान बस में कर ले।
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना। एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलकर बोझ उठाना। साथी हाथ बढ़ाना,
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे।
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे।
Rajesh ji, I am truly enjoying conversing with you. How is this social security coverage possible for all the workers? How is it possible?
See, the Central Labour Commission of India during our ex-Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee time
Okay.
clearly mentioned that if there are some workers whose employers are not clear,
Okay.
if the employer-employee relationship is not clear,
Okay.
then the government is supposed to act as the employer and provide all the social security coverage.
Okay.
So, which means it's the duty of the government that government considers all the workers as
Their
its
own-
family, their own workers,
Government.
their own citizens. They are responsible for that, and they can find resources.
I was not aware of it.
Yeah.
It is something very, very awakening for me as well.
Yeah.
Please carry on. Yes.
Yeah, so I was saying that, okay, government says that it needs some resources for this, but some economists have already calculated, and we have very special scheme, I can say, which is called ESIC. So, Employees State Insurance Corporation.
Okay.
This corporation was formed in 1952, and every employee registered under it is entitled for health coverage, indoor, outdoor, hospitalization, all expenses. And this is a very good act and scheme which already exists. So just by maybe approximately 13,000 rupees per year, all workers' premium can be covered in that. And we consider that ESI for all
Okay.
is possible, and through it all the social security coverage can be provided to all the workers, whether they are street vendors or domestic workers or construction workers, wage earners, sanitation workers, all kind of informal workers can be covered under the ESI, and the social security coverage can be provided.
This is good. This is something very, very, I would say, consoling in a way. They, considering their plight, considering their situational crisis, considering their, monetary status.
Yeah.
I feel if government is owning it, and it is something commendable and very interesting. So we will continue, but then. I need to ask you, do you have any other song?
Yeah, sure. So,
Yeah.
like it's a dream, it's our vision
Yeah.
that all informal sector workers should have a social security coverage. And towards that dream, I remember a song. Its title is "Achal ke tujhe main leke chalu kaise gagan ke tale." The film is "Durgan ki chhav mein," and it was sung by Kishore Kumar.
Oh, great.
One of the best songs that I like from Kishore Kumar.
I'm also equally, I'm
Yeah.
a fan of Kishore Kumar.
Yeah.
I love his voice. It's something very, very captivating. Very nice. And dear viewers, please enjoy this song, which is sung by Kishore Kumar.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ। हो चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों छोड़ना मेरा हाथ।
वफादारी की वो रस्में निभाएंगे हम तो बस में, एक भी सांस जिंदगी की जब तक हो अपने बस में। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा।
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा।
Rajesh, it's something very, 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 I would say, favorable for the people who are watching this program and would love to know about the rights, about the privileges that government could extend, eventually for the welfare of these workers, anything other than this is very, very good for people who may be watching or listening to this program. They will also get some kind of awareness. Tell me, other than this, what are the issues with
See, in the social security coverage itself,
Yeah.
Government has some schemes for old age pension
Okay.
for informal sector workers.
All right.
Point only is that the amounts are too little, they are not dignified. So at least if at old age, rupees 5,000 per month pension is possible
Yeah.
to be provided. Similarly, the government has a very good scheme called Kisan Samman Nidhi for farmers.
Okay.
So, government transfers a small amount to all farmers,
Okay.
for their difficult days. So, if there is rain or whatever. So, climate conditions also impact workers. If there is heat wave, street vendors can't go out, gig workers can't go out.
Natural calamity.
Yeah.
They actually.
So even for those days, the livelihood is lost. So, like farmers, government can also have a program for workers, like Shramik Samman Nidhi,
Okay.
So they can give rupees 5,000 per month to all informal sector workers who don't have a settled employment
Okay.
and they don't have.
This will continue for the entire year.
Yeah. Because this is for the days that they don't get work.
Okay.
Like if you go in India, they go on labor adda, all the construction workers. Some days they get work, some days they
They
don't.
don't.
And if there is rainfall, if there is heat wave, they will not be able to work at all. Or like,
Then how it is possible and how it can be spotted out? Like today he didn't get the work, and today he got the work.
no, so you give a blanket rupees 5,000 to
Okay.
each worker.
Okay.
See, if we are saying that at least rupees 30,000 needed for a dignified life.
Needed.
Yeah.
Needed.
So at least rupees 5,000 you put in their accounts
Okay.
as a support for the number of days that they lose when they don't get work.
Okay.
So there is no need to calculate. when
Okay.
they- Yeah.
Okay.
And now all
this
workers.
particular amount will be credited in their account.
Yeah, like they do it in the farmers' accounts.
Okay.
Like they do Kisan Samman Nidhi. Same way workers' organizations are asking that you also do Shram Samman Nidhi.
It's a sigh of relief.
Yeah.
What I feel that
Yeah,
for people like this.
Yeah, so we hope it also happens.
Yeah. It is not yet implemented.
No, not yet implemented. All these
Likely to.
well, workers' rights organizations are raising this point,
Yeah.
and they are suggesting it to government that government should have such a kind of program. So let us see. We are hopeful.
How soon do you assume that it's going to work out?
Maybe in 2026.
Very nice, very nice. Something very, very important information that you imparted, Mr. Rajesh. We'll continue, and then I just want to know any other song that you would love our viewers and our listeners to watch and listen.
There is a song from film Mashal.
Okay.
It's हम मेहनत कश इस दुनिया से जब अपना हिस्सा मांगेंगे,
Okay.
sung by Mahendra Kapoor. And actually, the first lines of this song were written by Faiz Ahmad Faiz, who was a very famous shair
Definitely.
of the olden times.
Yes,
And
yes.
So I like this song very much. And
Mehnat Kash.
हम मेहनत कश
हाँ.
इस दुनिया से जब अपना हिस्सा मांगेंगे,
Mehnat.
मेहनत कश means
I got
मेहनत
it.
करने वाले.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So this particular song is sung by Mahendra.
Mahendra Kapoor.
Dear viewers and listeners, please do watch and listen to this number, Hum Mehnat Kash. This particular song is sung by Mahendra Kapoor ji. We will be back again after a little break.
हम मेहनत कश इस दुनिया से जब अपना हिस्सा मांगेंगे, एक बाग नहीं एक खेत नहीं हम सारी दुनिया मांगेंगे, एक बाग नहीं एक खेत नहीं हम सारी दुनिया मांगेंगे।
हम मेहनत कश इस दुनिया से जब अपना हिस्सा मांगेंगे, एक भाग नहीं एक खेत नहीं हम सारी दुनिया मांगेंगे, एक भाग नहीं एक खेत नहीं हम सारी दुनिया मांगेंगे। हम मेहनत कश इस दुनिया से
पसीने पर हक हो सरमायादारी का, क्यों अपने खून पसीने पर हक हो सरमायादारी का,
क्यों अपने खून पसीने पर हक हो सरमायादारी का।
मजदूर की मेहनत पर अब हम मजदूर का कब्जा मांगेंगे, एक बाग नहीं एक खेत नहीं हम सारी दुनिया मांगेंगे, एक बाग नहीं एक खेत नहीं हम सारी दुनिया मांगेंगे।
हम मेहनत कश इस दुनिया से जब अपना हिस्सा मांगेंगे, एक बाग नहीं एक खेत नहीं हम सारी दुनिया मांगेंगे, एक बाग नहीं एक खेत नहीं हम सारी दुनिया मांगेंगे। हम मेहनत कश इस दुनिया से।
Yeah, Rajesh, wonderful to talk to you. I have another thing to ask you, that how do you visualize the future of workers' rights? You know, how do you visualize?
See, I mean, we visualize
In India,
Yeah. in long term, we visualize that every formal or informal sector worker gets equal opportunities and equal rights as any other citizen in India.
Okay.
So the level of right should not be discriminated if somebody is poor and somebody is rich. Everybody has one voter right.
Exactly.
And
exactly.
our
Yes,
constitution has provided that equality, the political equality, giving one voter right to everyone. We visualize that the social and economic right should also be equal.
Certainly, we are all human beings.
Right.
Yeah.
And so we visualize that all with workers, they get enough employment throughout the year. There's no, and they get decently paid. The ILO guidelines are followed for decent work and all the workers' rights in India. India had signed some conventions, some they have not signed, but we hope that slowly, in a gradual manner, the establishment in India will accept that workers are as important for the nation's progress and they should not be sidelined.
Exactly, yes.
Yes. And so that's how, though the times are challenging, as in the beginning I mentioned that ease of doing business is the main mantra for the establishment. But the government also has another slogan called Shramev Jayate, that Sham ki jai ho. So Shramev Jayate karna hai, so then workers will also have to be respected in that sense.
वो चीजें दिखनी भी चाहिए. It should be visual. It should be seen, practically.
Yeah.
Right in fact. Right.
Yes. So and we see that workers need to be organized, and government has taken some initiatives like they have started eShram portal on which all the informal sector workers are registering themselves.
Okay.
Now government has enough data, so government can easily kind of create tripartite welfare boards for each sector. And the labor codes which are just announced right now, informal sector workers are more mentioned in the social security code only, but even in the wage code or occupational safety and health code also, we want that informal sector workers should be covered. And government should facilitate their organizing because they are so scattered, so organizing also becomes difficult, so they cannot enter any collective bargaining as in the formal sector. Like the bank unions, they are organized in the organized sector, so they go for negotiation with the bankers, employers. That is not the case here. So we visualize that organizing will be better, their dignity will be respected, their wages be fair, and living wages they'll be able to earn. And all these divisions and discriminations based on gender and caste will no more be there. That's our dream.
Yeah, it is. It's a good visualization, I would say, that you are able to perceive the future of our laborers. Thank you very much, Ajay. And last but not the least, I would love to ask you any other song you would like to play for, like to hear.
Oh,
Okay, choice.
definitely.
Yes.
Yeah, another song by Rafi.
Yeah.
It's पोंछ कर अश्क अपनी आंखों से मुस्कुराओ तो कोई बात बने,
अच्छा.
सर झुकाने से कुछ नहीं होगा, सर उठाओ तो कोई बात बने.
Rafi sir.
Yeah.
So, dear viewers and listeners, please enjoy this song sung by Rafi ji. We will be back again after in the next episode. Until then, have a good time, blessed time, and thank you very much for spending your time. God bless you. Thank you.
पोंछ कर अश्क अपनी आँखों से, पोंछ कर अश्क अपनी आँखों से, मुस्कुराओ तो कोई बात बने, सर झुकाने से कुछ नहीं होगा, सर उठाओ तो कोई बात बने, पोंछ कर अश्क अपनी आँखों से, मुस्कुराओ तो कोई बात बने. जिंदगी बढ़ के छीन जाती है। इस हकीकत को तुम भी मेरी तरह मान जाओ तो कोई बात बने। सर झुकाने से कुछ नहीं होगा, सर उठाओ तो कोई बात बने। नफरतों के जहान में हमको, नफरतों के जहान में हमको प्यार की बस्तियां बसानी है, प्यार की बस्तियां बसानी है। दूर रहना कोई कमाल नहीं, पास आओ तो कोई बात बने। पोंछ कर अश्क अपनी आंखों से मुस्कुराओ तो कोई बात बने। सर झुकाने से कुछ नहीं होगा, सर उठाओ तो कोई बात बने।